you guys? It's your girl Angela and welcome back to my Chanel, which strangely enough, I never buy anything Chanel, but I do buy everything else, so you don't have to. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the viral Aerup water bottle, and you're probably like, Angela, it's a water bottle. What is there to review? And to that I say, this is no regular run-of-the-mill water bottle. Oh no. This water bottle turns plain water into flavored water using scent alone, based on the science that we perceive flavor through scent. There's no sugar, no junk, it is just plain water. So you could understand how I'm having trouble wrapping my mind around the concept. So I'm telling you right now, I'm a skeptic. And I made sure that Aerup knew this going into this collab because I have been duped by TikTokers and, embarrassingly enough, other influencers here on YouTube and Instagram, and I am not in the business of advertising a product. That does not work. That's not my vibe. That's not how I roll. So you're getting an honest review today. I don't know if this is gonna work. So I guess we're about to find out together. So this is the Aerup water bottle that I chose. It comes in multiple colors. I opted for white. And I also got 2 flavor pods, one in apple and one in mango passion fruit. We're gonna try both today. I am obsessed with apple juice. It's probably my #1 vice. I was never a big juice girl until my ex put me on to apple juice, but not just any apple juice. The apple juice specifically in the glass bottles. You know which apple juices I'm talking about. The real expensive ones that you don't even know you are downing until the entire bottle is gone. And then you're like, oh my gosh, how much sugar did I drink? Yeah, that apple juice. So I'm excited to try the apple flavor. Also, recently when I was in London, I discovered porn star martinis. Now I'm not expecting this water to get me tipsy or anything, but passion fruit, chef's kiss, I was eating them whole. I was like, where has this fruit been my entire life? So I'm really excited to try the mango passion fruit. Flavor, even though technically these are called flavor pods, but they should really be called like scent pods because they don't taste like anything. It's just the scent. You know what? Let's just open the box. Okay, where's my scissors? I'm so unprepared. I know I brought them here. How am I gonna open this? I don't want to break my nails. Okay, you know what? Not me willing to break my nails to open this box instead of walking 5 feet to the kitchen. Okay, so just opened it, and what do we have inside? We have a product overview that lists everything that is in the package and a quick start guide, which I will probably need because I don't know what I'm doing. There's also a user manual with pictures, which is great because that's the only way I'm gonna learn how to use this is through pictures. I'm literally a child. And the bottle is right in here. Let's open it. Is this even ASMR? This is probably such an ugly noise. Ooh, okay, so this is the Aerup bottle. So best case scenario, I find the cheat code to get me to drink more water because I definitely don't drink enough on a daily basis. And worst case scenario, I have a really cute water bottle. I literally just struggled opening the box because I didn't want to get up, and now I have to get up anyway to fill this up with water. Okay, be right back. Okay, so we have our water. We did one thing right. I don't know which one I want to try first. I'm gonna try both, but let's try, just because I grabbed it first, the mango passion fruit flavor pod. And these last for 1.3 gallons of water, which is a whole lot of water. Oh, and it comes with 3 pods. So that's really, really nice. Okay, so these are what the flavor pods look like. Okay, let me open one up. Give it a sniff test. Oh, wow. It definitely has a strong scent for sure. Okay. It's giving very much mango. It's giving very much passion fruit. It's giving tropical vacation vibes, and I love that. So it says this side down. So I'm just going to pop it on top of the bottle. Okay, so once the pod is on, you just kind of want to lift it up a little bit because if it's pushed in too far, it doesn't work apparently. Okay, so here we go. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. Why am I nervous? It's just water. It's just water, Angela. Okay. Oh my God. It's definitely a very light flavor. It's not like drinking juice by any means, but this can't be water. There has to be something like, I'm like, oh my God. I'm gonna push it down to turn it off and see if I taste a difference. Oh my God. This is wild. As soon as you push the pod down, it tastes like regular water. And then when you lift it up again, all you have to do is lift it up and you taste it. This is How did they do this? I have to try the other flavor. Hold on. Let me try the other flavor. Cause what? All right, let me try apple so I can give you my full review on the flavors. I'm just so sick right now. Okay, apple. All right, let's do the sniff test. Even though I want to try it so bad. Okay. Okay, definitely smell apple. Okay, pop it right on top, then lift up. Oh. What the? Now I've drinking pretty much the entire bottle just because I'm like, why can I taste this? And then let me put it down. Regular water. Okay, all right. So as far as flavors go, I taste them both. It's just so crazy to me that all it takes is like popping the pot up to taste the flavor and then popping it down and you have regular water again. Oh God, I just spilled all over myself. I don't know what kind of witchcraft is happening at Air Up, but this is insane. I definitely wouldn't say that this tastes like juice, but I would say that it tastes like, you know, those like really bougie hotels that have infused water in their lobbies. You know exactly the ones I'm talking about, and they look so pretty and they taste so good because the fruit has been marinating in it all day. That's exactly what this tastes like. I am definitely not a big water drinker, and if my friends were here right now, they'd be rolling their eyes because they'd be like, Angela, you never drink water. You would be surprised how many times I'm out with my friends and not drink water all day, and they'd be like, Angela, drink water, drink water. Like they're my mother. This is going to be a really good way for me to drink more water and stay hydrated, especially this summer. I'm also trying to cut back on sugar and other junk right now because I'm walking in Miami Fashion Week in a few weeks. Surprise, I know it's a big deal for me. So this is going to come in clutch, especially over the next few weeks as I prepare for the show and try to cut back on juices, sodas, and all of that. Flavor-wise, if I had to pick one, okay, I'm on a deserted island and I could only have one flavor pod with me, it would be the mango passion fruit. It is so good, but I'm definitely excited to try more flavors. I heard they have a cola one, which is dangerous because I love my Diet Coke. My addiction to Diet Coke is something I can't seem to shake, so that's definitely a flavor I want to try next. I have never been so excited about water. I'm like, oh, I want to try this flavor next and this flavor next. And also, fun fact, something that not many people know, and if you're an OG subscriber, you already know this, but if you didn't, many moons ago, I graduated with my degree in nutrition with a concentration in dietetics, and part of the curriculum was doing nutrition counseling for other students on campus. And the number one thing that all of my clients struggled with was water consumption. Many times, a lot of the discomfort we feel when we're hungry is actually dehydration. So I always encourage my clients to drink water before their meals to not only help fill them up faster, but to ensure that they are eating when they're actually hungry and not just thirsty. I would have highly recommended this to all of my clients, but since I don't have any clients, I am highly recommending this to you. This is definitely Angela approved, and I cannot wait to try more flavors. But that is all I have for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.